Hello everybody, Andrea Majewska here with Epicure. So how to learn about our products the easy way. We have a lot of products. I have been with Epicure since 2017 and I still can't help answer questions about every single product because we have so many. So here is how to do it the easy way. If you get questions, and trust me, there will be a lot of questions from customers, okay? So click on your three lines up at the top here. Click on my Epicure, click on Epicure University. And then you want to go under product information. Easy, right? This will have every single product that we currently have plus from previous seasons. So as you guys can see, there's a little bit of everything here, literally. So there's a lot to go through for sure, but also pay attention, you guys, to what's up at the top. So I like to post in my group, for example, like I will post, I would not post this because that would be a lot to read. I would post, I think it's the nutritional sheet. So I actually take a picture of these with my iPad, cell phone, whatever, and feel free to post this because some customers will want to know everything. Also, this is extremely important. Post our never ever list. So this list is what Epicure does not have, because you will find a lot of people saying to you, I can't handle this or I can't handle that. Well, check this out. Epicure has none of that. So you'll never have to worry again, which is why Epicure just makes things so easy. So you guys, I hope this helps. If you guys have any questions, please let me know and I will see you in the next one.